CLIL stands for Content and Language Integrated Learning. You can think of it like this: content and language integrated learning. Let's try it. Content and language integrated learning. With CLIL, language is learned and used to build subject knowledge, which we call content. The reverse is also true. Subject knowledge becomes the motivation for students to learn new language, just as students do in native English speaker classrooms. These subjects come from many areas of learning: history, social studies, art, music, science, and math. When students are introduced to a CLIL lesson, such as a lesson on explorers, they use the 4 skills of reading, writing, listening, and speaking to learn about and discuss the subject. In addition, students analyze and evaluate the information using critical thinking skills. This allows them to understand the information more deeply. Many CLIL lessons also expose students to different cultures and perspectives, broadening their intercultural awareness. Most importantly, CLIL lessons connect language to real life. Students build vocabulary, grammar, and language skills naturally by asking questions and seeking answers. In this way, students develop their English skills in much the same way that they develop their native language skills in the L1 classroom. CLIL lessons work because they're motivating and fun. CLIL lessons can be done in a number of ways, but here are some simple steps to help you plan your CLIL lesson. First of all, choose a topic that will be of interest to your students. It might be a science lesson about rainforest animals or our solar system, or a history lesson about inventions or transportation. Next, choose the target vocabulary you want to focus on for the lesson. This may be 6 to 10 words, depending on the level of your students. Also choose a grammar structure to focus on. Then, use a text like this, or create a reading or article about the subject, or find a suitable one through books, magazines, or the internet. It should match the reading level of your students and include your target vocabulary and grammar. Next, create a graphic organizer that allows students to think critically and analyze the information they have learned. This graphic organizer may be a Venn diagram, a timeline, a cause and effect chart, or any number of organizers. Finally, give students an opportunity to use this information creatively through a class project or through a writing or speaking assignment. This will help them to personalize what they have learned. CLIL lessons are very useful because a good CLIL lesson builds 21st century skills as well as strong language skills. Try one in your class this week.